Hello everyone. For today's topic is measure of central tendency. This is understanding the mean, median, and the mode. Before I start, my name is Bilby D. Casilla from BPA 2 Bilapas. So, ang sabi dito is, what is a measure of central tendency in basic statistics? So, meron pong tayong tatlong tinatawag dyan. Yun ay ang mean, median, and mode. When the mean is the arithmetic average of all values, it's found by adding all the data values and dividing the sum by the number of values. When the median is the middle value when the data are arranged in order. It divides the dataset into two equals halves. When the mode, the value that occurs most frequently in a dataset. So, a measure of central tendency is a statistical measure that identifies the central or typical value of a disaster. It provides a single value that represents the entire set of data, making it easier to understand the analyze and information the three main measure of central tendency. And they are the mean average. That is, yun na nga yung tinatawag ko na mean, median, and mode. So, may bibigay pong example na kung paano makuha yung mean, median, mode. So, here is the problem. Finding the mean, median, and mode. So, the test scores of 10 students are 70s, 75, 80, 85, 90, 75, 95, 80, 75, and 85. So we need to find the mean, median, and mode. So for the step one is the test score of 10 students. We need to arrange the data in order. This is 70, 75, 75, 75, 80, 80, 85, 85, 90, and 95. Then the step 2 is we need to find the mean. So we need to add all the scores. So arrange the data in order. So pag-aadin lang natin itong mga to. So 70 plus 75 plus 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 75 plus 95 plus 80 plus 75 plus 85 for the total of 810. And the number of scores, which is the test scores of 10 students. So this is the formula of, we need to use formula of x bar. So we need to divide the 810 divided by 10 is equal to 81. So the mean is 81. So the missing is median, mode. When the mean is the average scores of all students, it is found by adding all scores and dividing by a total number of scores. So for the step 3 is, sabi dito, we find the median. There are 10 scores and even number. So the median is the average of the fifth and sixth values. For the order data, it is 70, 75, 75, 75, 80, 80, 85, 85, 90, and 95. So our median is 80. So ito siya yung nasa gitna, yung 80-80. Then pag-add mo lang divided by 2 is equal to 80. So yun na nga, nahanap na natin yung median natin. So mag-step tayo sa pang-apat. So, we need to find the mode. So, count how many times each scores appears. So, ilan nga po ba yung 70s dito? Yung 70. So, isa lang. So, yung 75 is 3 times. So, makita nyo dito is tatlo siya, 75. The 80 is dalawa lang. 85, dalawa lang din. Then the 90 is isa lang. And 95 is isa lang. So, yung mode natin is, which is yung tatlo na to. So, yung 3 times, which is the 75. So, for the clarifications, for the median is the middle value of the ordered data since there is an even number of observation. We average the two middle values. For the mode is the value that occurs most frequently in the data since 75 appears there 3 times. It is the mode. So the final answer is mean is 81, median is 80, and the mode is 75. So the average score of the class is 81. Half of the student scores 80 or below, and half scores 80 or above. And the most common scores is the student of score 75. So, ganun lang siya kadali.